Want to know how to make money in 2023? Well, you're not alone. The landscape of earning a living has dramatically transformed in the past few years, and the year 2023 is no different. It presents its unique set of challenges and opportunities. The job market, for instance, has been reshaped by the global events of the past few years. Traditional 9-to-5 office jobs are less dominant. Remote work, gig economy, and entrepreneurship are gaining traction, offering flexibility, but also demanding new sets of skills. The challenge is to adapt to these changes and equip yourself with the right skill set. But it's not all gloomy. In fact, the changing job market opens up a world of opportunities. New industries are emerging, driven by technological advancements. Green technology, virtual and augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and blockchain are just a few examples. These burgeoning fields are creating jobs that didn't exist a few years back. So the question is not just how to make money, but where to make it. Speaking of technology, it's not just creating jobs, it's changing how we do them. Automation and AI are streamlining tasks, making some jobs obsolete and others more efficient. The challenge here is to leverage these technologies, not be replaced by them. In this rapidly evolving landscape, adaptability is key. Those who can keep pace with these changes, learn new skills, and remain flexible will not just survive, they will thrive. And there's another key aspect to consider: financial literacy. As the ways to make money diversify, so should your understanding of how to manage it. Investing, budgeting, saving, these are all skills that are more critical than ever in 2023. So yes, making money in 2023 is a challenge, but it's also an opportunity. An opportunity to learn, to grow, to adapt, and to thrive. Stick around if you want to learn how to navigate these challenges and seize the opportunities 2023 has to offer. First things first, let's talk about digital literacy. Picture this, a world where your fingertips hold the power to explore and conquer countless opportunities. That's the digital world of 2023 we're living in. Digital literacy, in essence, is about understanding and utilizing this digital world to our advantage. It's about more than just knowing how to use a smartphone or browse the internet. It's about understanding how technology works, how to use it to communicate effectively, and how to protect ourselves and our data in this online realm. Why is this so important? Well, it's simple. The digital world is where the opportunities are. It's where the jobs are. It's where the money is. Consider remote work. The pandemic has shown us that many jobs can be done from anywhere, as long as you have a reliable internet connection and the right skills. Companies are increasingly open to hiring remote workers, meaning you can work for a company based in New York while soaking up the sun in Bali or sipping coffee in your living room. Then there's digital entrepreneurship. Ever heard of a dropshipping business? Or perhaps you're familiar with affiliate marketing. These are just a couple of examples of businesses you can start with little more than a laptop and an internet connection. Moreover, the digital world offers opportunities to learn new skills, many of which can be turned into lucrative side gigs. Think graphic design, social media management, or copywriting. There are countless online courses that can help you master these skills. But remember, this digital world is fast-paced. What's relevant today might be outdated tomorrow. So to stay ahead, you need to stay informed. Keep learning, keep adapting. So the first step to making money in 2023? Become digitally literate. Embrace the digital world, understand it, and use it to your advantage. Because in this era, digital literacy isn't just a nice to have, it's a must-have. The second step to making money in 2023 is embracing continuous learning. This is the era when knowledge is the new currency, and staying relevant is the key to prosperity. You see, the world is evolving at breakneck speed, and in order to keep up, you need to evolve too. That means staying up to date with industry trends, not just in your field but across the spectrum. It means looking at the world with curiosity, asking questions, and seeking answers. It means not being afraid to venture into the unknown, to gain new skills and competencies. Embrace a growth mindset. Understand that you're not defined by what you know today, but by what you're willing to learn tomorrow. See each day as an opportunity to grow, to expand your horizons, to step out of your comfort zone. Remember, in the fast-paced world of 2023, learning never stops. Keep learning, keep growing, keep moving forward. Now let's talk about networking. Imagine standing in a room filled with doors. Each door represents an opportunity, a chance to advance, to learn, to earn. That's what a strong network looks like. It's a collection of doors, waiting for you to knock and explore what's behind them. Networking is not just about collecting business cards or adding contacts on LinkedIn. It's about fostering genuine relationships, sharing your goals, your dreams, and even your struggles. It's about giving and receiving, offering help and accepting it in return. In the digital age, networking has become easier and more crucial than ever. You can connect with industry leaders from around the world, join professional groups, and participate in online forums, all from the comfort of your home. And these connections can lead to job opportunities, collaborations, and even business partnerships, paving the way for you to make money. But don't forget the power of offline networking. Face-to-face interactions at industry events, seminars, and meetups can lead to deep, meaningful relationships that can open doors you never knew existed. So whether you're connecting online or offline, remember to be genuine, be curious, and be open to new opportunities. And remember, it's not just about what you can get from others, but also what you can offer them. So don't underestimate the power of a strong network. The fourth step to making money in 2023: diversifying your income streams. Now, this is a principle that's as old as time, but it's even more critical in our fast-paced digital world. Let's consider a three-legged stool. It's stable, right? But imagine if it lost one of its legs, it would tumble over instantly. The same principle applies to your income. You don't want to rely on just one leg or source of income. So how do you diversify? There are several ways. One popular method is investing. This could be in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even in startups. The key here is to do your research and understand the risks involved. Freelancing is another great option. If you have a skill that's in demand, like graphic design or coding, you could offer your services on a freelance basis. This can be a lucrative way to supplement your main income. Finally, consider starting a side business. This could be something you're passionate about or something that fills a gap in the market. It might take time to build, but it can provide a steady income stream down the line. Remember, the goal isn't to overwhelm yourself with work. It's about creating multiple safety nets, so if one income stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. Remember, in 2023, relying on a single source of income isn't enough. Finally, let's talk about financial literacy. Now, this is a term that gets thrown around a lot, but what does it really mean? At its core, financial literacy is about understanding how money works. It's about knowing how to manage, invest, and save your hard-earned cash. Think about it this way. You wouldn't set off on a cross-country road trip without a map, would you? Of course not. You'd want to know where you're going, the best route to get there, and what to do in case of a breakdown. The same principles apply to your financial journey. Understanding personal finance is like having a roadmap for your money. It guides you in making informed decisions that can help you reach your financial goals. Saving, for instance, isn't just about putting money aside for a rainy day. It's about growing a financial safety net that can support you in times of need. Investing, on the other hand, is like the fuel that propels you forward on your journey. It's about putting your money to work for you, helping you build wealth over time. But remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, research, and a good understanding of risk and reward. And then there's debt management. It's like the maintenance work that keeps your financial vehicle running smoothly. It's about understanding how to use debt wisely, how to avoid unnecessary borrowing, and how to pay off what you owe efficiently. Financial literacy isn't just about making the most of your money. It's about gaining the knowledge and skills to navigate the financial landscape of 2023 and beyond. It's about taking control of your financial future and paving the way towards financial freedom. So, to make money in 2023, make sure you're financially literate, because the more you understand about money, the better equipped you'll be to make it work for you. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We started off by addressing the challenge of making money in 2023 and how you can overcome it with the right strategies. Firstly, embracing digital literacy is key. The digital world is an untapped goldmine of opportunities, and being digitally literate allows you to navigate this terrain effectively. Next, we emphasize the importance of continuous learning. In an ever-changing world, staying ahead of the curve requires constant growth and knowledge acquisition. We then moved on to networking. Building relationships and connections can open doors to opportunities that you may not have found otherwise. Diversifying your income streams came next. This strategy is a safety net against financial instability and can also significantly boost your income. Lastly, but certainly not least, we discussed practicing financial literacy. Understanding how to manage and invest your money is crucial for long-term financial success. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to making money in 2023. Thanks for watching.